All right. Welcome to this little unboxing of this Amazon package. This is a package containing the Braun Clean and Renew solution. So if you have a Braun 7 Series razor, this is the fluid that comes in it for refreshing and lubricating the cutting head. Obviously there was a genius working the day this packing slip was put in. Didn't want that to get stolen. So I bought this through Amazon and it was sold by Arora Sales. A-R-O-R-A Sales. And it was a 6-pack for $29.99 plus $9.99 shipping plus $6 tax, which came to $45.98 for a 6-pack of alcohol and essential oils. Basically, that's what this stuff is. The order was placed on January 31st and it was delivered on Thursday the 6th. So that's pretty good, like 6 days or so. So as expected, when you put a cardboard box loaded with fluid into a plastic bag, basically, it's going to take some hits, and this one did. That's sort of expected in this day and age. But the fact that there's no fluid leaking out all over the place tells me that the contents are probably okay. And sure enough, everything looks pretty much intact. So we have 6 Refresh and Renew cartridges. So let's bring out the razor housing and put this stuff in it. Get a little bit better camera angle here. So you just hit the little button here on the side and the whole housing comes up. The old cartridge comes out and it's all yucky in there. Way overdue for a new one. You just grab these tabs, pull it up and hold the cartridge down while you're doing it. Slide the cartridge nice and level like into the housing. Pop the housing down and hit the start button and it'll start going into a refresh. So that's basically it. So it's going to run through its clean cycles and you're all set. It's going to refresh the razor, make it a little more hygienic, and make it smell nice, and lubricate the cutting head so that it does not wear out as quickly. So I hope you found this information useful, and if you'd like to see more of this, please hit the subscribe button. And if you really want to say thanks, add a Long Distance Traveler song to your playlist on whatever music platform you use, or download a song. You can head over to Long Distance Traveler Music on YouTube and see my songs there, or at longdistancetraveler.com, or again on whatever music platform you use. Thanks a lot for watching, and here comes another review.